Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you what I'm expecting on NASDAQ today. So these are the trades that I had this one, and then I think I had my partials around here. And then it took me out. Then I had this opportunity again. Now my partials are around this high. So again, I had another sell opportunity. My partials. Okay, this one I'm just gonna break even. I'm just gonna put my stop loss there. Okay, and what I'm expecting, I wanna see price running this low. I wanna see price running this low because I understand what's happening. The idea of the double tops. The idea of the double tops, double bottoms and the double tops. So I believe the market needs to run this low. Even if maybe you can run it by a few pips, but maybe you can also target liquidity there. And again, we still have this area that the bank needs to fill. So we might fill this area and continue to the downside, or we might fill, but we'll see as price it gets to that area. You understand? But I believe this market, it needs to come fill this area. Okay, and then how did I take the trades? I think I had a buy, and then my target was around there. I think I had a buy. So here the idea was what you know, the retail trends, Let me do a proper one. Maybe you have a trend. You have a trend here. So obviously we'd say this is our first step. That's what the textbooks say. First step, maybe this was the second, maybe your third tap, and then you're supposed to tap again there. So now the composite man, he sees with people, they will try to buy maybe the fourth touch. So if you buy, common sense, if you buy, obviously you need to place a stop loss where if you buy there, the stop loss needs to be below maybe the previous high or previous low. You see, so now what did the composite man know? The composite man did, because he printed the equal lows again around this. Okay, this was for us people who saw with this market needs to short. So this was a print that this market needs to come and take out those lows. But okay, people are trying to buy, and then it actually worked out. Maybe if you're gonna take your TP here because it made sense for you to take your TP here at these highs. And then if you didn't, and then price it came back, your stop loss is below this area. What did they do? They take it out. You understand? Take out your stop loss, and then it goes higher. But already, as we saw it, there was something which was happening there. So now we're starting to look for what? For bearish moves on this market. All right. So the bearish moves to run what? We're targeting this one now in future now. We ran this one, so now we wanna come. We wanna come and run this low again. We are done with that one. So now came there, you know, nitrous trade, the supply and demand zone had this supply there. Then it actually came, had the first sell there, and then I think I had a break even. Yeah, it took me out break even, and then came back again. It came back again. When it came back, I was like, okay, printed equal lows now. So we need to do what? We need to come and run the what? The lows. We need to come and run the lows future. So when price got here, I was like, okay, now I'll hold the sell. I'll place the sell, target this, and then I'll see as price goes on. So that was my first target. I was supposed to target this area. but then it decided to go down again. We had another equal, what now we have something like this. No, the idea is what, and they say when price it comes to what zones, what those levels, I don't know those things. Maybe 1, 2, 3. Maybe they're expecting price again to do what? To buy. But now we know that's liquidity below. So again, I was confident enough to hold a trade again because I saw we had equal lows. And then it came to this area. I had a buy limit. I had a buy around this area at the zone because I understand it's still a zone, and I saw it gave me an opportunity to buy. Took the buy, targeting all the thing is the hidden areas around this area, hidden zones. And then what happened? It dropped. It dropped, and then after it maybe took out the low, after this low, I had my partials to place the partials there. And then that's how it played out. Now, I still believe it needs to come and maybe deliver to this level there, because I understand again you have liquidity resting, you have liquidity around this area, liquidity, so it needs to come and short. But because it's US30, so as you know, these things most of the time they're bullish. So also, even if it doesn't, but it doesn't break this low, maybe I'll be happy because of what already I'm satisfied with this profits. And then I took this one again. Understanding that pricing needs to come back to fill in those demand zones, supply zones. That is a nice sell. There. Then again, I have this one again here, targeting the equal lows and even targeting the targeting this thing, and there's hidden zones there, and we might run the self-stop liquidity. So overall, I'm still bearish here. But here I'm out. I'm still holding this and only this one. There I'm out. I'm only holding this one and this one. And again, I have NASDAQ. I think I have similar. I think my setups are almost similar. Let's check. Yeah, I think I have similar setup. So again, the zone, liquidity below, liquidity. So if you can see where liquidity is resting, then your trading will be simple. It's not because you just need to spot where liquidity is resting. So I see you have liquidity, you have this liquidity there, you have this liquidity again. So I believe the market needs to come and fill in the liquidity and this hidden zones there. So again, here I have this set and I have this one. See, almost the same as US30. So I like to see these setups delivering before the New York and the New York session before. So I like to see this setup playing out nicely. But even if they don't play out, I'll be happy because of what? It's a risk-free trade for me. Obviously, for this one, my stop loss is gonna be there, but only after the market it takes this low. But for now, the stop loss it's still where it is. Actually, let me switch it. Let me put it on break even. Okay, and then this one again, it's selling nicely. If it breaks the low, I'll take my partials around this area, and then I'll see how it plays out. So for me, it's a risk-free trade, and I jam in again. Okay, this one I'm not sure what happened. They're supposed to come and oh yeah, this one I'm expecting it to come and sell around those areas, but unfortunately it didn't. For this thing, for this price action, I can delete it for now. It's no longer important. I can delete this. It's useless for me. but NASDAQ is pushing. As you can see, it's still pushing. Even US30, I believe so. Okay, even US30 is still pushing this side. So yeah, thanks for watching. So I'll drop more videos. I think tomorrow I'll do a breakdown on NASDAQ or US30 long term. So don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Thanks for watching.